What is the value of 5 plus 3g if g is equal to 3/5? So we have 5 plus and then 3g. If there is a coefficient and a variable right next to each other with no math action, the invisible math action is to multiply. So this is really 3 times 3/5 over here. According to order of operations, we're going to need to do the multiplication first. So I have 3 over 1 times 3 over 5. I'm going to multiply the numerators. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 5 is 5. This is an improper fraction, which I can't leave, so I'm going to go ahead and divide. 5 goes into 9 one time. 5 times 1 is 5. Subtract, I have 4 left. So 9/5 is really equal to 1 and 4/5. And then before that, I had 5 plus in front of it. When I add 5 to that, my answer is 6 and 4/5.